Problem now is, I thought this was chrome plated. It's not stainless steel. See, that's about the shape of the exhaust that you buy. I'm going to see if I can find my stainless steel wire for me gasless MIG welder. I can't imagine this going very well. Comment below, can you weld stainless steel with mild steel wire? Right, so this is the deal. I can't get into the car to get the welder out. Lock's frozen. But I'm going to find something else to do. Christmas Day, yes. So comment down below, who else is allowed to play on Christmas Day? Eh? All three of you, comment down below. Are you allowed to play on Christmas Day? Haha, right, you can't, you suckers. Right, I'm going to go and get some breakfast. Selection of pork and pickled cucumber, or whatever it's called. Right, onto the stator. So, I'm quite pleased about this. It might be rubbish. But the original German stator was about €320. I managed to pick this guy up for about 170. Now, I know what you're thinking. Got it from AliExpress. Yep, that's true. But it had really good reviews. So I've got some 12 volt, it's a 12 volt system as well. So I've got some bulbs to go with it. I've got the sparky plug thing. Got some instructions in German, which always come in handy. But let's have a look at this stuff. Quite chuffed with it. It looks the beans. No, that's not the beans. Let's get the beans out. Look at that. How good is that? Looks beautiful. Right. Got good reviews. I've seen videos of it working, so let's see if this is actually any good. First of all, let's see if he actually fits somewhere. I don't really know where this guy's got to go, to be totally honest. Oh, look at that. Made to measure. So he does actually fit inside those grooves, which I'm pleased about. Right, so I need some brackets. There's like some little claws to go both sides. I ordered them. I didn't get the bolts, so he goes up here somewhere. Got one of these guys. Oh yes, everything seems to be working too well. There's bound to be a catch. Leave it in the comments below what the catch is going to be. All three of you that are watching my video. Actually, I had a new subscriber the other day, so maybe there's 4 of you watching. That cable will route around there. What else have I got in here? Now, let's just see if he kind of fits with before I put the... Oh, look at that. Isn't that sweet? Got a new subscriber. Oh yeah, by the way, yeah, this isn't Betty. Betty died in the summer. Something wrong, but this is one of her sisters. Hello. Are you going to bugger off? Or are you going to climb all over my shit? Right. I don't know how tight he's supposed to be on, but yeah, I think that's about right. Oil was supposed to come yesterday. Didn't turn up. It's Sunday now. I don't think it's going to get delivered on a Sunday. Not in Poland. Not between Christmas and New Year. So maybe I'll get the oil tomorrow. Earl Grey tastes different in Poland than it does back home. It tastes nicer. The water's different here. Got the coil. So I've got the stator, goes to there, goes to the coil, goes to the sparker later. So I have power going to the switch. So I've got a 12 volt, a 5 amp fuse spur, I guess, going to the switcheroo. So that's what I've got. I need to go and get my switch out the loft. I need to work out where all these wires go to. Right, work in progress. That's me positive. That's from the battery. I've got a jumper on there for some reason. I've got to jump these two. And this guy goes to this guy. That's as far as I got. Right, 15 days into my challenge, I think, and I've got 5 days left. Well, I've got 5 days left regardless. So I think I've got everything on I need to get this bad boy started. I just haven't got the connections for the lights and stuff, which, well, I've got no controls and I've got no lights, so it doesn't really matter. Everything should be almost ready, and the oil's just turned up. I believe this guy is the fill level. Take this cover off. SAE 8090 gear oil till he comes out the other side. Nothing yet. So that's top dead center. So this is the other way of doing it using calipers. You can get like a special pluggy in thing that tells you the angle. It tells you how many millimeters down the head is. The piston is, sorry. I don't have that. And what I'll do is I'll hold him to do that until he stops. So when he's at top dead center, I'm at 21 mil. So I want to be 1.5 mil before top dead center. So let's get that at 22.5. I'm going to go back a little bit. So I'm at 20, so I'm 1.5 mil before top dead center, which is there. Which means I should rotate that plate round so that dot is there. Let's loosen the sky. I don't know if I'm going to get that. Right, got me stainless steel wire. Change the polarity so it's negative earth. There we go, OEM, don't look too close. Right then, here we go, keys off. Let's see if this does anything. Place your bets below. Right. Shut the front door. You hear that? What a run. It's New Year's Eve. I've done the challenge. Hey, got the challenge done. Look at the snow. Cracking, isn't it? So, that's been what? Came here on the 13th, didn't start till the 14th. It's now the 20... No, it's the 31st. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. So, my wiring must be right. I mean, look at it. So, update. That engine doesn't always run. It's hard to get started. Sometimes locks. And my oil, I don't know where it's been going. It's taken 700 mil It's only supposed to be 500, and it still looks quite low on the clutch case. So, what are you going to do on a snowy day like today? Well, I'm going to take the head off, have a looky-see, and see if that oil's getting into the crankcase. I do think I need a new crank for it. There's something slopping. You can hear it banging away. 2 days before I fly back to the UK. Let's have a look, and then if we need parts for when we come back, I'll have them already here. Let's get to it. So, with my expertly trained eye, I say that's inconclusive. Right, let's see if this guy starts again. So should that guy not stop spinning when I pull the clutch in? So I can only seem to find 2 gears. You know what, maybe it's alright. But I do think that head's slapping about a bit. I do think it's either the crankshaft or the pinion in the piston. There's something slapping about in there. So that's what I think I'll do. I'll get a new piston. Well, I'll get a new head, piston and crankshaft for that. The carb, what do you think about the carb? Carb might be alright. It might be alright. I might leave the carb for now. Definitely need to get a choke control that, because I mean it starts a lot easier with the choke on. Surprise, surprise, it is like winter outside. But yeah, quite pleased with that. Quite pleased that I managed to get this guy running. Doesn't purr like a kitten. It's a shame. Well, it depends what kind of kitten you've got, I suppose. Okay, so see you in the springtime.